This video will be to replace the pressure gauge on your espresso machine. Before you begin, power off and unplug your machine. Remove any parts and accessories, including the water tank and drip tray. Let's begin by removing the 2 screws near the brew head, circled in red. Next, remove the screws on the back of the machine. If you have a dual boiler, use a Torx screwdriver to remove the top 2 screws and a Phillips screwdriver to remove the bottom 2 screws near the water tank. Once you've removed the screws, lift up the top cover. Unclip the white plastic piece to remove the top cover from the machine. Next, unscrew the 2 screws on the top of the front panel, circled in red. Push the front panel upwards from the bottom to remove it from the housing. Remove the retainer clip and the attached tube to separate the front panel from the machine. To remove the pressure gauge, remove the 3 indicated screws circled in red. Insert the replacement pressure gauge. Then insert the 3 screws mounting the pressure gauge to the front panel. Make sure the O-ring is properly inserted, then reattach the silicone tube. Then reinsert the retainer clip. Reassemble the front panel to the housing of the machine. Then reattach the top cover. Reinsert the screws on the back of the machine. To complete reassembling your machine, reinsert the 2 screws near the brew head.